This improvement paradigm that we've been talking about is different. It joins together this discipline of improvement science with the power of structured networks to accelerate learning to improve. It values the disciplined, analytic, and systematic ways in which one might go about developing and testing a set of changes necessary to achieve reliable change. It's inclusive in drawing together the expertise of practitioners, researchers, designers, technologists, many others, depending upon the specifics of the particular problem you're going after. And it's very deliberate in organizing its improvement activities in ways akin to a scientific community, because this is basically what scientific communities do. They have common theories, collect common data. They have protocols by which we make judgments as to which knowledge is worth holding. We have social proof networks that adjudicate claims about such issues. This is what happens in a networked improvement community as well. Now, we can talk about strategies and data all day long, but improving our schools and colleges is ultimately about people. In thinking about this work, we need the active, full engagement of classroom school educators. This is different. It's very different. School teachers, principals, and others no longer the passive recipients of someone else's ideas. You are the improvers. Making space in your workload to make this happen won't be easy, but we need your involvement. We also need the involvement of researchers because we need their theory-based insights, their methodological skills, and the passion that I know that's in this room to use this expertise to advance the public good. And we need to engage policymakers. We need them to enable the capabilities in our schools and districts and colleges and universities to carry out this kind of work. It means developing people and acknowledging improvement as a legitimate part of the work they do. It does take time to engage in improvement research, and these contributions to a networked improvement community need to be acknowledged as such. And perhaps most of all, as I think about policy context, it takes supportive environments where it's safe for educators to learn from failure, because you can't improve except through that means. When any of us feel seriously threatened and vulnerable, it's just hard to learn. Imagine a future in which the kind of systematic learning to improve that we've been talking about this evening is occurring every day in thousands of settings and engaging tens of thousands of educators, scholars, designers, and many others. The education field could become an immense networked improvement community. We could greatly accelerate how we learn to improve. We could achieve valued outcomes that we now aspire to, but realistically have no strategy to accomplish. Whether it be all children reading by the end of grade 3, all children career and college ready by the end of high school, and all children achieving some valued occupational or certification or academic degree 2 or 4 years. Or for that matter, all new teachers succeeding in educating all of their children. It's going to take different thinking and learning and ways of working together to get all of this to happen, and to happen faster and better. This is our challenge, a challenge of taking on together the journey of learning to improve. In closing, I just want to say for both Louis and I how grateful we are for the opportunity to share these ideas with you this evening.